The Ministry of Health has officially opened the newly relocated Rehabilitation Special Outpatient Clinic at Twomey Hospital, a move that's been described as life-changing for those who rely on physical therapy to walk, move or even live independently again. For hundreds of Fijians living with amputations, spinal injuries, strokes or disabilities, this opening just made hope a little closer. Julie Rangoneliwa has more.
After years of waiting and shifting from space to space, patients with serious injuries and disabilities now have a purpose-built home for care. With two-thirds of patients being amputees and many others recovering from stroke or spinal injuries, the opening marks a critical step in making healthcare more inclusive, accessible and patient-centered.
National Disability Inclusive Health and Rehabilitation Action Plan 2023 to 2027. That is the guiding document for all the programs and all the activities that we're currently doing. And the construction of the National Rehabilitation Center funded by the Korean government is part of that. These renovation works that the LDS Church and the government of Australia has provided us is part of that. So the plan is to continue strengthening our services and continue expanding our reach to the people, whether through center-based or through our community outreach programs. And of course, we have plans to establish a Northern Rehab Hub, and we want to develop, a very specialized rehabilitation services for the people of the Northern Division.
This clinic, now housed at Twomey Hospital, replaces the former facility that was decommissioned in 2019 after decades of service at the old Tamavua Hospital. Since then, patients and staff have had to operate under temporary conditions, often disrupting consistency of care.
This momentous occasion represents a significant milestone in our ongoing journey towards creating a more inclusive, compassionate, and resilient health system for all Fijians. Rehabilitation is an essential pillar of universal health coverage, positioned alongside health promotion, disease prevention and treatment, and palliative care. It embodies far more than mere recovery. It is about restoring dignity, enhancing the quality of life, and empowering individuals of all ages to live independently and meaningfully.
The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, Elder Paul Whippy and others were among those who supported the upgrade, framing the initiative not as charity but as a shared community blessing.
One thing the LDS charities are aware of that we don't have troops or feet on the ground, and so we look for partnerships. We have resources that are available. These resources are made available to one and all. We treat this as an opportunity to bless humanity. So as the Church of Jesus Christ goes into the world, and in this particular project, we do not favor members of the church above others that are not members of the church.
As the team looks forward to the future National Rehabilitation Center in the years to come, they hope that many of their patients will benefit from this temporary location. Joel Rangoneliwa, Fiji One News.